Before we get started with today's video, I just want to let you know that my shopping vlogs are for entertainment and educational purposes. Please do not take my videos as guidance to leave your home. I am here to show you how to coupon better and tell you about the best deals. If you are under a shelter-in-place order and you feel like shopping may endanger you or someone else, please stay at home. We're all adults and I trust that we can all shop responsibly. Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video and happy Easter Sunday to you all. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So as you can see, we are back at CVS and we are about to get into another week of deals. So I really want to focus in on the essentials this week. We're not going to be moving all about the store. We're getting in and out and we're focusing on some deals that I know that a lot of people will need right now, which is soap and body wash and laundry care items, personal care items that we need in our homes. So today's video is going to be centered around this dial deal that we're going to talk about in just a second. Then we're going to move over to our spend 20, get $5 back for our household items. And of course, we're going to take the proper precautions while we are shopping today. So let's get started. This Dial body wash deal is really why I wanted to come into the store. So the Dial body wash, bar soap, and hand soap is all on a spend 25, get back $7 in extra care bucks deal this week. So the Dial body wash is 2 for $7 and we have a number of coupons that you can use for this deal. I'm going to grab 4 bottles of the Dial body wash as the first items to get towards my $25. Then I'm going to go down below and I'm going to grab some bar soap. The bar soap 3 packs are 2 for $4. And I was so happy that they had the antibacterial bar soap in stock. So this is great for washing all of those germs away. So I'm going to grab 2 of those for $4 a piece as the next items in our deal. And then finally, to get our total to $25, I'm grabbing 2 of the Right Guard deodorant. These are also included and they're 2 for $8. I'm going to use a buy one, get one free coupon on these. I was moving so fast in the store that I didn't show a complete breakdown of this deal, but this is everything that we're grabbing for our spend $25 breakdown. So we have 4 bottles of the Dial body wash. We're going to use 2 CVS coupons on this. I have a 2 off of 6 body wash coupon, and then I also have a 2 off of 8 body wash CRT. So we're going to use both of those. Then I'm going to use a $2 off of 2 digital manufacturer coupon that you can find on the CVS app, and I'm going to use 2 of the $2 off 1 manufacturer coupons that you can find in our 4 or 5 Retail Me Not. For the Dial bar soap, I'm not going to use any coupons on that, but it's still going to work out to a good deal. And for the Right Guard deodorant, we're going to use the buy one, get one free coupon that you can find in your 4 or 5 Retail Me Not. So after all of those coupons are applied, we're going to pay $12 out of pocket for this deal, but we're going to get back $7 in extra care bucks, making all of these items, this is 8 items that we're going to grab for only $5 out of pocket. So now let's move on to our next essential deal. We're going to do our spend 20, get back $5 in extra care buck deal, and we're going to start off in the laundry care aisle. Start off by grabbing 2 bags of Tide Pods. So these are actually on sale for $4.94 this week. You have a couple different coupon options that you can use. We have a $2 off paper coupon that you can find in your P&G, or you can use the $2 off digital. And we have a very, very nice $3 off Tide Pods CRT. And then to finish off my spend 20 deal, I'm grabbing 2 of the Always products. And you just want to look at the tags because a lot of items are included in this deal. I'm going to get 2 of the products that are $6.99, but they're also buy one, get one 50% off. So I'm going to grab 2 of these products for $6.99. One will be $6.99, the other one will be half price. And then I am going to use the $3 off of 2 digital coupon. We also have a $3 off of 2 in in the PNG as well. You guys, so here's my complete spend 20 get back 5 deal. I am loving this deal. The total for all 4 items is $20.36. We have our 2 Tide Pods at $4.94. We're going to use the $3 off CRT. We're going to use our $3 off digital coupon. And then I'm also going to use my $2 off paper coupon that you can find in the PNG. That is the only paper coupon that we are going to use for this deal. Then I have my 2 Always products, $6.99. The other one will be $3.49 half price. I'm just going to use the $3 off 2 digital coupon on that. That is going to bring my total out of pocket to $10.36, and then I will get back $5. So this total deal is only going to cost us $5.36. You guys, so this is everything that we are grabbing today, and like I said, we were going to keep it really essential and really quick. So I have my first deal, which is our spend 25 get back 7. I have all of my Dow products here, and I have my coupons already pulled. I have my 2 paper coupons for the Dow. We're also going to use that $2 off 2 digital, and my buy one get one free for the right guard, and then that deal should come out to $5. Then we have our spend 25 get back 5, which is our Always products. We got both of those ready. We're only going to use that 1 paper coupon for this deal. Everything else is going to be all digital. I'm trying to keep it all digital as much as possible. So all we're going to use is this one little $2 off Tide Pods coupon, and I only have 1 paper extra care buck. All of my other extra care bucks have already been sent to my card. I have $4 in extra care bucks on my card, and then I also have my $10 Care Pass reward that we're going to use today. So that is a total of $20 in extra care bucks that I'm bringing into this deal, in addition to all of my coupons. So as we always do, let's go up to the register and check out and see how everything goes. All right, you guys, so that worked out exactly how I wanted it to and how we planned. So let's take a look at my receipt to see everything that we bought. So there's the Right Guard deodorant, there is the Dow body wash and the bar soap, there is our Tide Pods, there's the Always pads there, and here are all of our manufacturer coupons. Those all scan perfectly without any issues. All of our digital coupons came off along with our CRTs. You can see the extra care bucks that I used along with my $10 Care Pass reward. So that left me paying a grand whopping total of $2.36 plus tax. I had a total savings of $71.52 and a 97% savings value today. And then I got back my $5 extra care buck for the household deal, and I got back my $7 extra care buck for our personal care deal. So we got back a total of $12 today. So I spent $2 out of pocket on a gift card today. Of course, we used our Fetch Rewards gift card, and I spent $20 in extra care bucks and I got back 12. So this, everything that we picked up cost us $10 for today's deal. So I don't think that's bad at all. Hopefully this deal was helpful to you. As always, I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and check below for written breakdowns of all of these deals. I will talk to you all soon, and I hope you all stay safe and healthy out there. Bye, you guys.